Hey guys, want to change that generic grey silhouette to a professional artist photo on DistroKid? So in this here, a common mistake is looking for a profile photo setting inside it. But a DistroKid delivers you music while the stores host your brand. And today we're talking about the direct access method to bridge your account to Spotify and Apple so you can update your face on every platform. Alright, and now the prerequisites. So firstly, you need to verify your identity. You need to log into your DistroKid and click the Goodies menu, the wrench icon. Select Special Access and click on Spotify for Artists or Apple Music for Artists. Follow the prompts to connect, and because you're coming from DistroKid, you'll get instant access with a blue checkmark, bypassing the usual 2-week manual review wait. And this is the fastest way into your dashboard. And then once you're there, on Spotify, click Profile at the top and then pencil icon on your avatar, and upload a high-res square image. On Apple Music, go to Artist Content, select your image, and hit Submit. In the latest update, both platforms now support header images. Make sure your banner is 2660 by 1140 pixels for the best look on 4K screens. And then just hit Save and you're live worldwide. And this is how you make your brand officially your own. If this guide helped you polish your image, smash that like button.